Making English come alive, mastering phrasal verbs in context. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of phrasal verbs. More specifically, we'll be practicing phrasal verbs in context. So, if you've been looking to make your English sound more natural and fluent, then you're in the right place. Phrasal verbs are unique to the English language. They consist of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. The combination creates a new verb whose meaning can be entirely different from its original verb. For example, give up is a phrasal verb that means to stop trying or to quit. Phrasal verbs are crucial for mastering English because they're so common in everyday conversation. They can make your English sound more natural and less formal, which is ideal for conversational English. If you're aiming to fully understand and be understood by native speakers, then phrasal verbs are your key. Now, let's look at some examples. Consider the phrasal verb, turn up. It can mean arriving somewhere, like, he didn't turn up for the meeting. But it can also mean to increase the volume, like, can you turn up the music? Another common phrasal verb is, run out of. It means to have no more of something. For instance, we've run out of milk. Now, for the fun part. It's time to practice. I'll give you a sentence, and your task is to replace the underlined words with a suitable phrasal verb. For example, she didn't arrive at the party. The correct phrasal verb to replace arrive at is turn up, so the sentence becomes, she didn't turn up at the party. And that's it for today's video, everyone. I hope this has helped you understand and practice using phrasal verbs in context. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs, like anything else in language learning, is practice, practice, practice. So don't give up, and keep turning up those English language skills. See you in the next video, and until then, happy learning!